Hi, Igoodsgh here. In today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone XR. Note that the iPhone XR has been discontinued by Apple. This is just a video to educate you guys on what to look out for when you're buying one. So first, look out for the green pull tab. You pull that up and you get access inside the box. So we're going to open the box. The first thing we're going to look at, you can see that there's no glue at the box edges. Inside the pamphlet, you're greeted with this hello, that's a user guide. We have the SIM ejector too. We have some manual as well, and then the Apple stickers. Please always look out for the Apple stickers. So let's turn the phone on whilst we look at what we have inside the box. Now inside the box we have a 5 watts charger. Note that Apple supports fast charging on iPhone XR, so you can also get a fast charger, but this is just the 5 watts. We also have a lightning earpiece inside. You can see how it is. And then we have the USB to lightning cable inside the box as well. So that's all we have. You can see the inside is supposed to be made out of a cardboard film and not plastic. So I'm not going to set up this, just wanted to do a quick unboxing on things that you should know. Looking at the rubber and everything, this is just a guide on buying a brand new iPhone. So let's just peel the rubber off and let's see how it looks like. Let's see. There's a white color and honestly it looks beautiful. You can see the charging ports, checking out for everything. There's no scratch, nothing. We're gonna dive into a full review of the iPhone XR later on, but this is just an unboxing. So guys, thanks for watching. Peace out guys.